Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyroute. Today we are going to clear all cache files from Windows 10, 11 or any other computer. Clearing your computer cache will allow your PC to run fast and will improve the overall performance of your computer. That way you can run your favorite application without any issues. It's incredibly easy and please make sure you watch all the video. Alright, let's get started. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type Run. Open the Run prompt and type prefetch. Prefetch. Click on Enter. A permission confirmation window will open. Click on the Continue button. So here you can see certain cache file. It doesn't require in non-technical language we can say it's some kind of garbage. You can clear all this. So what I do, I click on Control A and select all those and click Shift Delete. So it will all these cache files will be permanently deleted. So I'm clicking on Yes. Certain files will not get deleted because it may be used by some other programs. So that is absolutely fine. So let us close this. And this time in the run prompt, we will type temp, T-E-M-P. Click on enter. The temp folder is used by many applications and is used to store temporary files. So after the program runs, they leave some temporary files on this temp folder. So you can clear all these temporary files. It's absolutely fine. Select all the files and click Shift Delete. Click on Enter. It will delete most of the files. It may not delete certain files because it may be used by some other program. So that's absolutely fine. You can skip those files and delete all of the temporary files. Now what you can do again in the run prompt, type percentage temp percentage. Even in this is another location where you can find some encrypted unwanted files, unwanted cache files. So again, the same thing, Control A and delete the entire file permanently. So what we are doing slowly and gradually, we are removing all the junk and making the computer faster as the part of cleanup, the cache file cleanup. Now we'll go to the run and type clean mgr. It will open the disk cleanup. Click on OK, and you can select all these. You can check mark all these cache and click on OK. So this time, the disk cleanup is processing. It will clean all the cache from your machine. This way, you can clear all the cache and make your system performance much better. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave it on the comment box. Bye.